Hello everyone, welcome to Honare's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Today's video is going to be all about the dresses which are available for Sai Baba, and many of you have been requesting that you want to actually purchase the dresses related to Sai Baba, and do you have any options and all. So that is why I thought of showing you all the available options with us so that you can just check it and you can place your order in case if you want to purchase them. So, just before going into the details of the cloth, let me just tell you about this particular Sai Baba idol. So, this idol I purchased it from Amazon, and they say that this one is made of marble, but I'm not very sure whether it is genuine marble or not. So, just in case if you also want to purchase this beautiful Sai Baba idol, then I'm going to leave a link in the WhatsApp. So, you can just check that and you can purchase it from there. This idol is about 7.5 to 8 inches in height. So now coming to the dresses, this is how the dress is going to look like. So you're going to get this kind of a shawl, and along with that you're also going to get a hat for Sai Baba like this. Okay, I'm not very sure whether you are able to make out the quality of this particular material. This is pure silk material, something which we actually use for stitching blouses and all for Kanjivaram silk saris. Okay, this is quite an expensive fabric which is being used, but not all fabrics are of pure silk. So whichever is of pure silk, I'm going to mention it in the catalog and you can just select from that in case if you want to buy. So if I turn it at the back, you're going to get velcros like this, okay, which you can just open it. And please make a note that we have not used any canvas over here, and it is just a lining cloth, which means that it is not going to get damaged after using it for a few times, and you can even wash it and nothing is going to happen. Okay, so this is how the dress is going to look like. Let me just show you on how I drape him. So just take the cloth like this, open it up, keep it over here, and all you need to do is just press the velcro at the back side and you're done. This is how most of the Sai Baba dresses are also available in the market and all. And over here if you see, actually the dress is slightly smaller because I had actually got this done for some other Sai Baba idol. But eventually this dress was big for it, and when I purchased this idol, these dresses became small. Okay. And now coming to the hat. Okay. So this also has got a velcro at the back side. So all you need to do is just open it. Okay, and again there is a lining cloth at the back side. Just place it on his forehead and paste the velcros at the back side, and that's it. And as you can see, these type of clothes fit perfectly fine for Sai Baba. So now that you have seen on how the dresses are stitched and how to fix them, let me now show you the available catalog which is there with me. So in case if you also want to buy any of these dresses for Sai Baba, then please do not miss to send a WhatsApp message on this number, and all I am going to need is the height of Sai Baba from his shoulder until his ankle, and that is more than enough for me. And what you will also have to do is you will have to give me the codes. Do not send any photographs because there is no memory in my mobile. All I am going to need is the code of the dress along with the measurement for each and every code, and that is more than enough. And also please note that we will be taking up to 3 weeks of time to do the shipping. So just in case if you want these dresses very urgently, then you will have to explicitly mention even before you make a payment. And in case if I have confirmed to you that it is not going to be possible to deliver within the time that you have requested, and even after that you have made a payment, then please do not rush, because when you actually rush and you pressurize us to deliver it earlier, then mistakes will happen and we may not be able to meet your expectations. I really do not want to give a bad customer experience, and I am here only to give good customer experience to you all, and for that I am going to need your cooperation in please giving us some time to prepare these dresses. Now let me just show you the catalog for the Sai Baba dresses. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.